guys, welcome to my channel. We're going to be making a really quick run through savers today because my agenda is packed. So we're going to go ahead. I just saw these cute things I wanted to see for a second. Oh, no, not so much. So yeah, we're going to go through the bags real quick and I'll show you as much as I can over here, but then I do have to get going because, like I said, I am swamped with stuff to do today. So let's see if they got anything here special for us today. Hopefully. Oh boy, is that coach over in a used condition. Worn out condition, actually. They're pretty full of bags today, though, so maybe we'll find a goodie or two. Whoa, a goodie or two, hopefully. Here's a coach. What kind of condition is this one in? Very, very dirty condition. That was a very nice bag at once upon a time. So what is this little pink one? Hello, kitty. And I'm still looking for blue purchase for you guys because every blue bag I pick up I sell. I don't know if you will like this one or not, but they do have that one, and it's faux leather. They have this Juicy Couture too. I have sold quite a few of these. I don't know if I should pick another one up or not. The interior looks good. The fading is none. Yeah, it looks to be in pretty, that's fixable, pretty good condition. Straps look good, but I don't know. Let me think about that one, you guys. Think about it. Ooh, put it back on there, there we go. Okay, what else do we have here? I need things other than black. I seem to be thrifting a lot of black lately. What's this? Guess. Oh, the strap is broken. That would have been a cute bag. It has a little palm on it too, with a little tassel. Here's a Betsy Johnson in pink and black. And does not come with a long crossbody strap. Nope, you don't see one in there. There's another Guess, but that's really faded out. What's this little wallet on the floor? These are cool. These little wallets are cool. Mint green. It's faux leather. Little baseball backpack. Is that a fossil? Yep, that's a fossil, but it's stained. A pretend Longchamp. Little Tinkerbell bag is still here. Pretty cute. Oops. Here's a wooden snake. That's genuine leather, $5.99. Comes with a crossbody strap inside, but the name on it was nothing that was really too fantastic. You guys, I had this in 1988. I remember. No, I'm sorry, 1990, because I was using this bag when I got married. My very first bout with marriage. Yep, I was married twice. Am married twice. Was married twice? Am married. I am married. Second time was the winner. Winner, chicken dinner. This is pretty, but it's faux. Ooh, that's a pretty, really pretty leather. Who is this? I'm thinking Tianello, maybe? It's like brand new condition. And it is by, I don't know, I'll have to look into it. Brand new though. Kind of cool. We'll see. We shall see about this one. Okay, let's go take a look over. It's kind of blocked over here and I already went through those bags and there wasn't really too much to show actually. There's this one, and it is by, what's his name again? Michael Rome Designs. I guess I could look that one up. I don't know. I don't know if you guys would like that one or not. Maybe? Maybe not? I don't know. I can always come back for it. I needed all of the Fila shoes. There's these, and these, and these. Do you see anything cute? Or Neil are cute? Rainbows. Here is a vintage Coach backpack. I like this. Oh, the twist lock is missing. No good. That's gonna be no good. Let's go over to the bags over here and see if there's anything that we like. This Dooney is new here. $40. It's authentic. Here's an orange Juicy Couture backpack, brand new, $40. Over here looks like the same stuff that's been here for quite some time, so I'm not going to go over those again. Let's see what's behind this clothes rack over here, hiding out. Here is a Coach. This is actually authentic. $100.
The weather ending drier.
Anything fantabulous hanging up in the sunglasses. They're usually pretty good at catching the high-end designer glasses. I think I found one or two pair maybe. That's about it. Yep. Nothing here, guys. Nothing on this rack. This is pretty. It is $10.49. Probably wasn't much more than that at Ross where it was originally purchased. It's pretty though. Oop. Oh my god. This whole thing started falling apart. Yikes. Yikes. There's cosmetics in here. Yeah, I don't think I'd be doing cosmetics. What is this in here? Oh, LA Colors. Yeah. I'll go ahead and stick to CVS, I guess. All kinds of little cosmetic bags. Fairy tale. Repeat hairspray.
Pero ya no, ¿verdad? No hay, ¿verdad? No, ¿verdad?
Magazines at your thrift stores? I never have. This one caught my eye, of course. I wonder how old is this one. This one is... I know I'm probably looking right at it, right? Inner bliss, combining canine compassion and career behavior traits. Casseroles. I have the best cookbook at home. Oh man, I'll have to share it with you guys. Anyways, they got tons and tons of magazines for everybody, everything. Year-round crafts for kids. For $5.99. Isn't that adorable? I think so anyways. The birds are metal. Be happy. I like that one. That one's cute. And it's reminding me, I was gifted a Scentsy. I'm not a Scentsy girl because I buy all my waxes at Walmart. But I was gifted a salt. It's like a salt lamp, but it's also a burner. And so I'm gonna give that a shot. I'm gonna go to Walmart, get my little wax candles, and I'll have to show you. I think they got, it's this kind of stuff right here. It's like made out of this, but they got me a white one. And you plug it in and it's got a burner in it. So I'm gonna give that a shot. I think it'll be pretty in my living room. But no, I don't spend money on Scentsy burners and wax and all that stuff. Especially when they have it at Walmart for like 99% cheaper, you know? Ooh, looks like a genie's gonna come out of this one. Okay guys, let's go ahead and head out to the car and see what kind of purses I got for you. Okay guys, I think we did pretty good today, so let's just go ahead and show you what we found for you. I went ahead and I got this black bag. I just really liked it because it's so organizational, and the leather and quality of it is beautiful. I'm going to make the straps a little longer to show you. It is a crossbody, or you can make it not a crossbody. Hold tight. Hold on. Let's get this all situated here. This leather's beautiful on this purse. Gorgeous. So this is it. I really love it because you have the slip pocket here. You have a zipper pocket here, a nice deep one. Then you have two top zip pockets up here. Can you guys see that? It's a really pretty black pebble leather. There's the inside, and then the inside over here. And the brand is ILI New York, Toronto, genuine leather. And then the back also has a really nice zipper pocket. And you guys, I don't think it's ever been used. It's in beautiful, perfect condition. So zippers work great. Everything looks beautiful on it. And that is the first crossbody bag. Maybe better this way. No, this way. Okay. Then I had to get this because this hot pink is so stinking pretty. I had to get it. Remember I showed you the black Juicy Couture that was in there? I got this one because I liked it better. Maybe you will too. Let's see. What do you think? What do you think? Isn't it so cute with this charm on it? This is such a cute little tassel charm, and it looks as if you can take it off if you don't. Yeah. You can unclasp it here if you don't want it on there, but I think it's adorable on there. This is actually nylon, and then the trim is all leather with the gold studs. Here is the Juicy Couture emblem. The inside, this looks like brand new as well. Show you the inside. The inside is a navy blue. And then it says Juicy Couture right here on the pocket. And then there is two more pockets on this side. Okay, and then there's these really cool pockets on the sides. This is the Daydreamer, by the way. So there's a zip around pocket and a little slit. Also a zip around pocket and a little slit. I hope the color is coming out okay, because it's just a really pretty, like, hot kind of a fuchsia pink. So, and I love the bows. The bows are so cute. That's what makes the Daydreamer a Daydreamer. found that. And then I found this super cute, you guys. Look at this. Let me get it zipped up so I can show you when it's zipped up. Oh, I love this. Look at this lamb bag. Isn't that adorable? It matches my headband. So stinking cute. Look at it. Look at the chunky hardware zipper pull. There's a little slip pocket here on the side. This is a pocket here. Let's see, how do I get you open? What's your trick? It's a little slip pocket right here that snaps down. It's a magnetic snap. And then these are leather. This is Saffiano, I believe. And then this is like a smooth leather straps. And then you unzip it. And the inside is super nice. Really, really nice. And it looks like this. So you have a zipper here that says Lamb, Gwein Stefani. There's that pocket. Then this is really cool right here. There's like a little flat pocket with a little button you can snap. And then a slip pocket here. Right there. Isn't that cool? I love it. It's got great feet on the bottom. Really, really adorable. Adorable purse. So that today, my friends, is what we hauled. I love the haul, actually. I think it's a great haul. If you guys like it, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Let me know down below what you think. And if you'd like to purchase, here it is. All right, you guys. Have a really, really great rest of your day. And stay humble, stay kind. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.